Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to set up your Slack channel. Once and as always, you will need to first open your PC or device and go to any browser. For example, I am using Google Chrome. Now to go to the URL section and search for Slack. And here I will just go there and we will click on the first link. Now, basically what you'll have to do is create or try for free. And here you just have to continue with Google or with your Apple account. So let's continue. And here we just have to accept the cookies. And here we will create our workspace. So let's create our workspace. Now let's wait a little bit. And what's the name of your company or team? For example, I don't know, tutorial. Here we click on next. Who is on the team? You can put here the emails, skip this step, skip it. What's your team working on right now? I don't know, tutorials. I mean, yeah. Let's go and next. And here we go, guys. So this is the channel. This is like the chats. And if you want to add more channels, you can just click here, create new channel, browse channels. You can add members. You can make it private or not. You can share outside, but this needs to be premium. And for example, let's create a new channel real quick. So I click here, get new channel, private meeting, and I can make it private. So I can create it like that, and here I can put only the guys or the people that I want them to see this room. So skip for now. If you want to add them, you can just click in here. If you wanted to delete any kind of channel, you can just click on leave channel and it will be deleted. So just like so, because it is, let me just see, leave, yes, leave and remove, and here we go. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.